Kendall, number 17, got a blowout. Oh, that smell.
All right, number 18, Dan, our leader. Keep an eye on that yellow red. All right, 4 down. Coming up on last traffic over there, Dan. He's going to have to push his way through. You guys got a rig parked over here at the entrance. You need to get moved out of the way.
A lot of people there?
Good racing,
John Deere. Oh my God.
Alright. Like we're going to have a yellow. We're going to have a yellow.
Yeah, I know, right?
James is out?
Yeah.
What for?
But I'm not sure.
Alright, we're racing again, guys. Oh, it looks like laying down some problems somewhere down with that number 21. That's Heather in that .05, still chugging away.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we need a yellow out, we need a yellow out. All right, full course yellow, slow them down, bunch them up again, guys.
I got that one.
Yep,
I got it.
Hold on.
Oh, Heather.
I didn't keep track of what we started with, but we're down to 4 now. Heather's back in it again at the .05. Oh boy, Danny got off the course a little bit.
Oh, his wheel. Oh my gosh. That's like the 3rd time that's happened. white flag. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
Doggy.
The beagle. The beagle. The chubby beagle.
There we go. 20 laps. Down to about 3 runs. Good times. This 40 coming around. He's finally got his last lap, I think.
Oh, what is he doing? Oh.
A white and a second at the same time. I think our winner, Danny Gooley out there.
Is that why he's happy he won?
Yeah.
I will give him just a second, guys. I'm going to have to give him a big round of applause. Remember, we just do this for fun.